folks, me and Jake decided to come up back to our old playground here and see how far we can make it in the old Suburban. So far, Jake, how are we doing?
Slowly but surely. It's a lot more difficult than it was last time. Oh no, the dreaded spot.
The dreaded corner. Hey, hold that bad boy. You're gonna film for me. Alright, so we're gonna have to probably get a little backing up, run at it again. Can't really see me, so you're just gonna have to keep it forward here. But what do you say about the snow up here versus obviously when we were up here before?
Well, with all the drift from the trees, I think it's safe to say it's deeper.
Yeah, it definitely looks like we probably got a good amount of deeper snow, so
dang.
So we'll just kind of do what we did before and see if we can. I think once we make it around this corner, we might be able to keep going.
What's a good temperature for this to be at?
I don't know. But she is getting kind of hot.
Yeah.
Anything above 240. I don't know. Let's try 4 first. Oh yeah, look at that though. It's freaking. Oh yeah, I'm gonna get a little better run at it. This is kind of crazy though, huh?
Yeah.
I didn't think we'd make it up this far without having to do this several times. But this son of a bitch just crawled right up some of those spots, man.
Yeah. Can't see. We brought old Bertha up here in the snow, and I think we're gonna get around this little section here. Once we get around this little section here, I think we're gonna be okay. But we got the old rock lights here. Old Jake's loving it. Look at that, he's wearing muck boots. It's up to his top of his mucks. Hey, don't move that tree too much, buddy. Oh, I love it. So, just in case if you guys don't know, the Suburban is doing extremely well in the snow. I'm not even locked up with the front here, but we are literally sitting on, well, there's packed snow here and then a lot of fresh snow. So this fresh snow here is probably about probably about a good foot. I mean, we got 38-inch tires here, and we've just been kind of packing this corner down around here. But she's fun. She's been giving us a wild ride. So we're going to, Jake's got shorts on, as he does. He was actually already gone by the time I invited him out here, but he was already in a location where he just stopped by. Otherwise I'd probably yell at him and be like, dude, you knew what we were doing.
No, I did not know what we were doing.
But
I'm here.
But he's here now. Yeah, this is what we're dealing with though. Like all these branches, this snow is just covering all this stuff. So we're gonna go give it a few more runs. I think as soon as we can get around this tree right here, I think we can kind of keep going, and then maybe we can make it to the top. There is one section up there that's gonna be a hairpin turn that might get kind of, that one's gonna be interesting, but I don't know if we'll make it that far. But we're not gonna not try it. So
we've made it this far.
Yeah, buddy. So stay tuned. I was hoping maybe we could get you some footage from outside the vehicle, but it is cold up here, so we are just in the cab, and then maybe we'll get out and film some stuff like this. But here we go. All right, folks. So after that last run, basically my U-joint here is broke. So we're gonna have to back down here in two-wheel drive. So stay tuned. Hopefully we'll make it out. I'm pretty sure we'll make it out. But yeah, yippee-ki-yay. So we're backing down. You probably won't see much tonight unless we get all buck wild and out of place and have to do some winching or something. But we're gonna have to back down the whole entire trail because we can't really back into a spot to turn around in two-wheel drive. But I think we will be able to once we get down here a little further. And if not, I'm just gonna have to winch my front end around. So this might be it, or it might not. But smile every morning, Jake. Smile every time you wake up, and go down and check out some links. Amazon, Bucked Up, Auxito light bulbs. And thanks for watching, and y'all have a good day. Yee! Oh, you hear that? Oh, golly geez. It's a tight trail.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way